how to make t-shirt designs on Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Canva is a powerful graphic design platform that can help you create t-shirt designs with ease. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, Canva has the tools and resources you need to create stunning designs for your t-shirt. In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can make t-shirt designs on Canva, from choosing the right template and adding text and graphics to downloading your product and preparing it for printing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good understanding of how to use Canva to create custom t-shirts designs that stands out from the crowd. Now over here right now we are currently in canva.com. Now if you don't have a Canva account, you can simply log in or create your account on the homepage of Canva. If you don't have an account, it will show you a sign up page or a login page before you could access this page over here. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the search bar over here and you're going to type in t-shirt. Now, over here, as you can see, we will have this option over here, this t-shirt option. We're going to click this. By clicking this, we would be redirected to the templates of Canva, where we will be able to see all different designs that Canva has on its library. As you can see here, there are a lot of designs that you could use. You could use any of this and edit it on your own. These are templates that are designed to be used by other people, so you could simply choose any of this option, then edit it however you want, change the text, change the color, change any part that you would like to change, and it is up to you. Now for us, we're going to click on create a blank t-shirt. We're going to start from scratch and begin creating our design from scratch. Now over here, by clicking on the blank template, we would be redirected to the editing page of Canva. This is where we will be able to create our design. As you can notice over here on the left side, we have designs, elements, uploads, text, draw, projects, and apps. Now what we're going to focus on today is the elements, uploads, and text. As you can see here, also there are templates under the design. This is if ever you change your mind, if you want to do edit template, you can simply see here once again. You could also click on styles, which would provide you like with different color combinations, color palettes, font sets, and also view your recent designs. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on elements over here. In this element section, this is what we are going to focus on today. This is where we will be taking most of our design, and later on we're going to try and use text also. So first things first, I'm going to search for a background that I would like, and I'm going to click on see all graphics over here, and we're going to look for a great background. As you can see here, there are a lot of great designs, so you're simply going to choose any of this option. For me, since I'm a bit of a minimalist, I'm going to choose this one over here. Going to click this, and as you can see, it's going to appear on our page over here. I'm going to put it in the middle, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a box into our canvas over here, and I'm going to make it into the same size, just like that. And I'm going to turn this into black by clicking on this color option over here. It's going to turn our color into black, just like that. You could choose any color by clicking on this option over here, and you would be able to enter a code over here or like drag around the color that you want by clicking on this option over here. There's also a gradient option over here where you could choose any type of gradient that you want by clicking on this option. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on position. Going to move it to the back just like that, and I'm going to select our original element that we have added earlier, and I'm going to change it to white. And as you can see here, we have our color white over here. This option doesn't have a gradient, unfortunately, so we're not going to have a gradient for that design. As you can see here, we have a very simple design. Now what I would like to do is I'm going to add a box outline for it, just like that. I'm going to type in box line, and we're going to look for a box that we would like to use. And we're simply going to look for a very simple box that we could use. You could use any of the design. I'm just creating a design that I would like. We're going to use this one over here. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to align it and then enlarge it just like that. We're going to make it slightly bit bigger so that we can see better. Just like that. We're going to adjust it Just like that. We have a simple background for our design. So the next thing I would like to do is I'm going to look for other designs that I could add. Actually, I'm going to click on box line once again, and because I saw a design that I would like to have earlier, and I'm going to scroll down and look for it once again. Over here, I really like this design, so we're going to try if we could apply this to our page right now. We're going to make it align, just like that, and make it a bit bigger, just like that. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to edit the color of our lines to our different colors over here, just like that. And we're going to change the position by clicking on the position section over here, then click on back. And as you can see here, we have our background of our design, just like that. And the next thing I would like to do is I'm going to add a text. So over here on the text, you would be able to choose any of this font style that you can see over here. If you have a specific font in mind, if you know the name, you can simply search it over here, or you could search in a topic related to your design that you would like. For example, game. It will show you all game related fonts that Canva has. So I'm going to X that, and I'm going to look for one that I like. For example, this one. To click this, we're going to see if it will match. I don't think it will be good because it's hollowed, so we're going to look for another one. For example, this one, glow over here. I'm going to type that, and then I'm going to put it over here, and we're going to change the color to dark, just like that. And we're going to change the text to any text that we want. For example, chaos, just like that. And we're going to make it smaller, put it in the middle over here, just like that. And we have the simple design that we have right now. We're going to click on position once again and click on layers. In layers, we would be able to check out the different layers with ease. I'm going to put this one on top for the meantime, and I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to put it on the middle for now, and then I'll also click this and put it in the middle, just like that. And as you can see, we have our very minimalist design over here for our t-shirt design, just like that. We're going to make minor adjustment. So right now, this is my design. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to download this as a PDF. I'm going to click on download, and I could download this as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, PDF print, SVG, MP4, or a GIF. So for me, I'm going to go with a PNG and click on transparent background. After that, I'm going to click on download. Now, right now, we have our own design for our t-shirt. Now, the next step we're going to do is simply go look for a print-on-demand website that we could use for our publishing over here. For example, Printify, we're going to go with this one. And we're going to look over catalog over here, and we're going to click on t-shirts. You could choose from men's clothing, women's clothing, or kids clothing. We're going to go with men's for now. Going to click this, and over here we're going to see bestsellers of different t-shirts. Over here we're going to select one of these. Bestseller means that they are the products that people are buying the most, so we're going to go with this one. Over here, this is where we will be able to see different information about this specific product, like the title and the description. We could also click on read more, and we will be able to see key features like double needle stitching without seams, garment dyed fabric, and 100% ring spun cotton. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll up, and over here we have print providers. We're simply going to select any print providers that we have. You can choose any option. Over here, they offer a lot of different colors, so we're going to go with this one. We're going to click on Start Designing. And in this page, this is where we will be uploading our design. Over here on the right side, you can see that there is a design section over here. We could add design from my device, custom text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, or Google. So we're going to click on my device, and we're going to upload our design over here. And just like that, we have our design over here. We're going to make it fit our design, our layout over here, just like that. And after doing that, we can add colors over here. We could choose any of the colors that we have over here. You could choose as many as you want. It's going to depend on you, just like this. After choosing the colors that you want, you could add more designs if you want. You could also click on the back side over here. You would be able to add other types of design. For example, I'm going to add a random design for the meantime. Example, this one. Just a random design, like maybe a logo for your brand. You could add this at the back side, just like that. And we have our small designs there. And over here, we're going to click on Save Product, or you could also click on Preview over here. You would be able to see a mock-up of your product. Here, you could also see it on different colors if you would like, just like that. Now, we're going to click on Save Product. And now over here on this page, we will be able to see the same thing we saw earlier. We have mock-ups over here. You could see all our different colors over here. And over here, we could edit our product title, our product description. We could also add size table to description. We could edit the pricing for the different variants, as you can see right now over here. You could also see the production cost and retail price. And over here on the publish setting, you can simply click on connect a store, and you would be able to connect it to any store that you have, any e-commerce store, and you would be able to sell your product over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.